Hey guys, Dr. Eric here from Impact Physical Therapy and the Ask Dr. Eric show. Got a great question that came in a couple weeks back from Noelle from Orange County, and she asked, do I use ice for my plantar fasciitis? And to answer your question, Noelle, the answer is absolutely not. Do not use ice on plantar fasciitis. In fact, I usually prescribe mostly heat for most injuries. I would say 90% of injuries I would actually prescribe heat or nothing at all. Ice actually makes the tissues hypoxic, which is lack of oxygen and blood to the area. So with the plantar fasciitis of the foot, Noelle, what you want to understand is that tissue gets kind of bogged down and really just kind of crunchy and tight. You want to increase the blood, you want to increase the hydration so that tissue can slide and glide much better. The ice is good for your mind because it numbs it, right? But not for your tissues. Not if you want to have just a nice environment of just good kind of slide and glide and just nice and mobility underneath your foot. So you want to use heat for plantar fasciitis, definitely not ice. I know if you Google anything online that says plantar fasciitis, they're going to tell you to do the old school kind of water bottle thing with the bottom of your foot. Do not do that. Use heat instead. And then after you're done using heat, Noelle, what I'd want you to do is then mobilize the tissue. That just means massage the tissue. So you can use your hand to massage it. You can use a ball to massage the bottom of your foot after it's warm. And then after that would be a good time to stretch it. So you'd stretch your calf. You can stretch the bottom of your foot up onto a wall. And those are some really good effective ways to help with plantar fasciitis. So I like to use a saying, it's called melt, mold, and move. So melt it, you're going to heat it. Mold it, you're going to use a ball or your hand, and then move or stretch at the end after it's nice and pliable. So to bring it all home, you don't want to use ice, you want to use heat, and just make sure you're doing that. Let us know if we could help you out, if you have further questions or concerns. We're also going to post just a guide to foot pain underneath this video. So you can hit that link if you or your friend, a family member or friend are suffering from foot pain. Click that link, you get a free download just talking about plantar fasciitis and foot pain, a whole bunch of different cool ideas. Plus you get a whole bunch of YouTube videos on how to help it. So check that out. If you have a friend, just make sure and share this video that's suffering with foot pain. And let us know if you have further questions. So thanks again, Noelle, for your great question. Anybody else out there has further questions, please let us know. And tune in to next time. Thanks so much.